Our method helps study the kinetics of a protein complex formation. It describes how tight a protein complex is and if the protein complex formation is interfered by other proteins. This technique enables studying protein-protein interaction in a quantitative way. Using fluorescence as a reporter, our assay can monitor the association and dissociation of a protein complex in real time.
To begin, design the FRET assay starting with the data for the Col1 Cand1 complex from the protein database. Load the structure in PyMol and then go to the wizard menu and use the measurement function to estimate the distance between the first amino acid of Cand1 and the last amino acid of Col1. Then, load the online spectra viewer and view the excitation and emission spectra of 7-amino-4-methylcoumarin and Flash simultaneously. AMC is the FRET donor and Flash is the FRET acceptor. Prepare cells with the FRET donor protein by following along in the accompanying text protocol. Then, purify the Col1 sortase RBX1 complex by first adding 50 ml of lysis buffer to a pellet of E. coli cells expressing the Col1 sortase RBX1 complex. Lyse the cells on ice with sonication at 50% amplitude. Alternate the power for 3 minutes so that it is 1 second on and then 1 second off to prevent overheating the sample. Transfer the resulting cell lysate into a 50 ml centrifugation tube and remove the cell debris by centrifugation at 25,000 × G for 45 minutes. Then, add the